close the sunroof. So the sunroof is closing. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome to another video of Autoflare. Today I have a POV video for you. I'm going to show you the app features and the infotainment system of the MG Hector. So this is the car in front of me and this is the phone with the app on it. So now I can unlock the car through the app. So if I just, and you see that the car is unlocked. Very cool. Now there are 2-3 other features which are interesting. This car is the manual, so the manual car cannot start. So if you have the automatic car, you can actually start the car from outside through the app. Now if you jump into the car, I'll show you the interface of the app. So this is the app and you can do multiple things. So the car is unlocked. Now I can also open the sunroof. So I put in. Now watch this. The sunroof is opening, which is awesome. And the whole sunroof is open. And then again, you can lock the. You can also close the sunroof. So the sunroof is closing. Check it out. Very interesting. The other features in this app is you can see where your car is positioned and what kind of trips you're doing on the map real time. It updates extremely quickly. You can see how many kilometers you have left. You can see how much fuel you have left. You can see whether the car is unlocked. You can find my car, so it'll show you the location of the car. Another thing you can do is unlock the tailgate. So now the tailgate's unlocked. Now when I go to the car, I just press the button and the tailgate opens. Another cool feature. And press the button and the tailgate closes. If you go to the driver's side, you switch on the car. So this is the car. This is the infotainment system. Now the AC and everything is controlled from here. The funny thing about this is that it shows you the button which you're supposed to press. So now the AC is off, but it's showing the on button. So if I press on, the AC will start. So you can set different settings. So you can increase the fan, change the temperature, choose the airflow, inside, outside, and also you can put it on auto. The next thing is music. So this car comes inbuilt. So you can, and you have multiple subscriptions loaded into the car. You can control your phone when your phone is connected. It shows you the navigation. It has inbuilt navigation. This is where I am right now. Then if you change the screen, just press this button, goes to the home screen. This is how it looks. The interface is a little smooth in some aspects, but it's also a little choppy. The 360 camera can also be accessed from here. So you can move, you can see each side of the car, back, front, everything. And it's useful because this car is large. The next is you can lock it also. You can access your files. The Ghana subscription, so you can play music. You can check your tire pressure, tells you exactly what temperature the tire is and also the pressure. Very useful feature. Now in settings, there's also mood lighting. Now it's day, so you can't really see the lights. So they are here and under the dash. You can choose the mood lighting as you would like. Different colors, green, purple, a constant mode. There's also a random mode where you can switch between the colors. You can change the skin, the theme of this. You can control the car window, whether they're allowed to go down. You can lock the car. You can set the walk me home feature where the light shows. You can set the position of how much the tailgate will open. So there are 6 levels at which the tailgate opens. So you can set according to your preferences. You can change the brightness of the display. So you can change the sound settings. The features are exquisite. There's so many features, it's unbelievable. And of course the voice settings. There are up to 90 commands which you can instruct this system to do. For example, I want to change the AC temperature. So I say, hello MG.
Hi, how can I help?
Please set the AC temperature to 18 degrees Celsius.
Temperature is set to 18 degrees Celsius.
There we go. The temperature is set to 18. Also, you can instruct it to play music for you. So for example, hello MG.
Yes?
So please turn on the radio.
Pardon?
Please turn on the radio. So it is a little choppy, but it works. And the radio is on. You can change the volume. You can also instruct the voice command to change the volume. Very useful. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. A lot of features offered in this car. And if you did like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. See you in the next video.